Welcome to Get Crafted Tutorials. Today we'll be making a 3D sublimated mug. The tools and materials you will be needing are the following. Everything is linked below. So we will be using a sublimation mug. Mine is Cricut, but you can use any of them. Then we will be needing heating tape, of course, to go ahead and tape the design on the mug. We will be needing sublimation paper, so it needs to be sublimation paper. It doesn't matter if it's this size, the mug size, or just cut up sublimation paper and regular paper. We also need a mug press. For me, it's the Cricut mug press, but you can use one by design. So let's go to step 1, or design and print. The design I will be using today, I recently purchased on Etsy, so it's a really cool 3D effect. That is also the thing that I wanted to test today. It does not contain any names, but you can go ahead and open the file on your PC, and I will be using Canva to add these names before printing on the mug. So in Canva, I used the upload button, which is over here. You can go ahead and upload the design and just add title texts in any font you want to, and just go ahead and export the file to your PC and download it. The file type that I always use for images are PNG. So let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so I have the file over here already set up, so you can go ahead and download it, but this is the file that I already have. You can click on File Print, and then you will see the printer settings over here. So the paper size needs to be envelope. So I always go by this one. It's 105 by 241 millimeters. And then you can click on Scale to Fit, because you will see that there's still a white line. Fill entire paper, and the entire paper has been filled out. Then we will go to color matching, because it is my sublimation printing. So I'll use Color Sync, and then the profile I use is this one, the ICC profile I downloaded from Inkowl. Next up, we'll go to our print settings, and in our print settings, we're going to set up the quality of our printing. So we will choose photo. So I always take Epson photo quality, and then we'll print quality high quality. This way we'll make sure that it's okay. Do not forget to click mirror image, because it is sublimation. And then we can go ahead and print the file. Okay, so step 2, our actual pressing. So you will be needing the mug press. This is the design that I've printed out. The color is a bit dull, but it will come out later with the heat. As you can see, the design is fit to the mug side. What I also use is regular paper. This will be the second layer on the mug, and this will protect the sublimation press from the ink that comes out. Let's now tape the heating tape onto the design. So the design is on the mug. This is the first layer. The second layer will be the regular paper, to avoid that the sublimation ink will go onto your mug press. Let me just do that as well, and then we'll go back to the next step. Okay, so now our mug is ready to be heated up. It's definitely a lot of layers, so when you are trying to put it into the press, you will struggle a bit, but just make sure that you have the paper correctly set in. The mug press, as you can see, is already set to go, as it is green. If it's red, just wait until it turns green, then you're good to go. You can go ahead and close the lid if you're using the Cricut mug press, and as you know, you just have to wait until the 5 LED lights on the machine are entirely set up. You will also hear a tone at the end to notify you that it's ready. So let's just wait until it's ready. Okay, the Cricut mug press has called, and it is good to go. Be careful, because it is really hot, so make sure you only pick it up by the handle. I always have this mat right next to my press to keep it on there until the mug has been cooled off, and then you can go ahead and remove the paper and the tapes. So let's just go ahead, and I'll fast forward to the part where I'm going to remove everything off. So this is the mug all cooled off. I'll take away the first layer. The first layer, as I mentioned, was the regular paper that was protecting my sublimation press. So as you can see, the ink, I do not know if it's clear, maybe like this. You can see the design is into the paper. So basically it protects your mug press. So now I'm going to go ahead and remove this one, and let's go to step 3. Our final results are here. So this is our design on the mug. I am definitely loving it. The colors are truly coming out. The line is very clean. It's not entirely covered, but that's not a problem. I knew it beforehand because the mug is a bit bigger, but the colors were dull on the paper, but really come through on the mug. I love how it shines. I love the shadows on the press. So I really dig the effect of the 3D on there. This will be my new favorite mug. The tutorial has come to an end. I hope you've enjoyed it and I hope you've learned something new. Maybe you can also share some of your knowledge as to maybe improve my process. This is the reason why I started this channel. It's always a learning process in the making. Everything is linked in bio, and please do feel free to subscribe, like this video, and see you soon.